What you got for here, and today I'm bringing you a quick little bank video after my insane streak, insane wins and fucking stupid losses, but the wins prevail. So let's jump right into it because I don't like doing bank videos, but you might want to see it. So if you don't want to see it, click away, and then otherwise we're starting now. So my first step, skill tab, skill cap tab, obviously I have no landmass, but can't be asked. Fire tabs, here I have some junk, well not junk, but this is junk, and then barley had some shit. Potion stuff, Robin Hood, I don't know what it's doing here. Charm step and summoning tab, not that much. Some gear, nothing too much or too good. I have some shit here, like this is mostly skill. I don't know what all this shit is in here, but mostly skilling, some runes, and my sharks. Yep, my sharks and shit. And I've got 47 milk bars. So if you enjoyed, please leave a like and see you guys later.